So the way exercise 10.1. So the very first question is represent graphically a displacement of 40 kilometer 30-degree east of north. So first of all, question number 1, draw, because we have to represent graphically. So this is, of course, it is north, and this one is south, this one is west, and this one is east. And the question says 40 kilometer 30-degree east of north. 30-degree east of north. So this angle is of 30-degree and this is of 40 kilometer. So this is the graphically representation. Okay. Now the question number 2. And the question number 2 says classify the following measures as a scalar and vectors. We have to classify which is the scalar and which is the vector. So the very first part is 10 kilogram. So 10 kilogram, that is of course a scalar, because this quantity has only magnitude, no direction. Okay. Now the second part is 2 meter northwest. So this is the 2 meters. It is a vector quantity because magnitude and direction both are given. Now the third part is 40 degree. So this is only magnitude is given, no direction. So it is a scalar quantity. Now 40 watt. Watt is a scalar quantity because it having only magnitude. 10 to, next part is 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. So this is again a scalar quantity. Okay. Now the sixth part is 20 meter per second square. So it is a vector quantity because it involves magnitude and as well as direction. Okay. So the answer I have given you verbally. Now the third question is classify the following as a scalar and vector quantity. So time period means this is a scalar quantity. Distance, this is a scalar quantity. Force, that is a vector quantity, right? And velocity is a vector quantity. Work done, that is a scalar quantity. Okay. So this was the question number 3. So now I am going to question number 4. Okay. So the question number 4 says, in the given figure, a figure is given and we have to identify, a figure is given like this. This is the figure. Okay. This vector is A vector and this is D vector in this direction, and here is this direction. This is C vector and this is the direction, and now it is B vector. Okay, this is the figure. So as per this figure, we have to write the co-initial vector, then co-initial vector. Okay, as per this figure we have to write. Second part says equal vectors. Okay, and the third part is collinear but not equal. Collinear but not equal. Okay, so as per the figure we have to give the answer. So first part is co-initial vector. So vector A and vector D both are having the same initial point. So the answer is vector A and vector D, because this vector is starting from here and D vector is also starting from the same point. So therefore A and D are co-initial vector. Okay. Then equal vectors. So this vector D and vector B both are equal vectors, same direction. Okay. Equal because they have same magnitude and same direction. And the third part is collinear but not equal. So vector A and vector C, these are the collinear. but not equal vectors. Okay, this is the question number 4. Now the fifth question is we have to write the answer as true or false. Okay, so again I am explaining verbally. A and minus A are of course collinear vector, it is true. Two collinear vectors are always equal in magnitude, it is false. And third part is two vectors having the same magnitude or collinear, again it is false. And two collinear vectors have the same magnitude are equal, again it is false. Okay, so this is all about your exercise 10.1. Okay, now move to exercise